West Green and Catherine Hall will be the focus of the St. James Municipal Corporation come tomorrow Tuesday as the authorities begin to target specific areas for recovery. At the same time, residents are appealing for food and water. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
The Catherine Hall West Green area of Montego Bay, St. James have been impacted by severe flooding during Hurricane Melissa. Mud has taken over the homes of residents.
So I'm calling on every member, every citizen of St. James to come out this week and participate in our week of restoration and cleanup. This is not a sprint recovery. This will be a long distance recovery. We will go into the communities, clear bulky waste. We will be taking the tow trucks to remove the cars that are blocking. We'll be washing the area.
Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, said on Tuesday, November 4, the focus is on Catherine Hall West Green area. Wednesday, November 5, the city center. The municipality will then move into rural communities. But what about other needs like food and water? Residents in the Johns Hall community, for example, say those in the Dam Road area have not received any assistance. A helicopter landed nearby.
I think the police issue some of the party and the water that they get off the helicopter that land on the ball field up there.
Every board house gone, every house flat. You see my foot? We have to walk from a past the station and go. We don't have no food, we don't have no water, we don't even have nail for nail back the zinc them. We find back the zinc them, but we don't have no nail. No nail there, no hardware either. We flat, down there flat, we don't have no road. It is very unpassable.
We are very hungry. We need food. We heard that they were distributing food right there. And that they would be back today, and so we've been waiting here since 8 a.m.
We have been hard at work, arranging supplies over the past few days, and we're moving now into the distribution phase.
Other charitable organizations have been distributing relief packages.
We also need urgently the restoration of ATM machines. People need to access their money. Because even if the food suppliers reopen and their machines are down, point of sale machines are down, people will need cash to do business. We are devastated, but we are not down. St. James will rise again.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.